Hello students, আজিৰ টপিকটো হৈছে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফিল্ড ইণ্টেন্সিটি এট এ পইণ্ট অন দ্য ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল লাইন অফ এ ডাইপল। এটা ডাইপলৰ ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল লাইনত ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফিল্ড ইণ্টেন্সিটি কিমান হয় আমি কেলকুলেট কৰিম। এতিয়া ডাইপল কি আছিল? যেতিয়া দুটা চাৰ্জ অপজিট চাৰ্জ পজিটিভ এণ্ড নিগেটিভ স্মল ডিষ্টেঞ্চত থাকে সেই গোটেইটোকে একেলগে কোৱা হয় ডাইপল। এতিয়া ডাইপলৰ ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল লাইন মিন্স perpendicular bisector line. Consider a dipole minus q and plus q charge at a point A and B. Midpoint is O and direction of dipole moment negative to positive and distance between them twice A. So from the midpoint distance is A. So consider a point Q which is at a distance R from the center of the dipole. To find electric field intensity at Q, join AQ and BQ which are making at an angle theta with the horizontal. Now electric field intensity at Q due to A is EA. Direction is towards A because for negative charge electric field intensity direction is inward. For positive charge it is outward. Therefore EB is away from the point B. EA and EB are two vectors. So their resultant vectors is they are diagonal like this. EQ is the resultant field intensity at point Q. So angle between EA and EB is twice theta. So electric field intensity at Q due to A 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square. Length of AQ is R square root over R square plus A square. So distance or square hole root over to uthi jabo R square plus A square hobo. I is the vector. Similarly B, both EA and EB are same but their direction is different. Q is the point. It is direction EQ as shown in the figure. So we can resolve EA and EB in two components. EA cos theta, EB cos theta along horizontal and EB sin theta and EA sin theta along the vertical, but they are in opposite direction. So EA sin theta and EB sin theta are cancel out each other. The vectors EA sin theta and EB sin theta are opposite to each other and hence cancel out. So resultant field intensity will be EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. Magnitude is same, so therefore 2 times of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q R square by A square. And value of cos theta is A divided by root over is R square plus A square. ওপৰত কি থাকি গ'ল twice Q into A. তাক আমি মিলাই কি লিখিব পাৰোঁ Q into twice A which is equal to dipole moment. So EQ is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into twice A কি হৈ গ'ল P. P হৈছে dipole moment যাৰ ডাইৰেকশ্যনটো নিগেটিভৰ পৰা পজিটিভ। R square plus A square ওপৰত 1 আছে R square plus A square ওপৰত হাফ দুইটা প্লাছ কৰিলে কি হৈ যাব 3/2. This is the electric field intensity at a point on the equatorial line of a dipole. Thank you.